And welcome again, once again. Welcome to the channel, and now I have a figure here from the pop animation of the One Piece Portgas D Ace. Now, I'm not really into the pop figures, but this is one of my favorite characters in the One Piece. And as you can see, as we turn around the box, number 100. On the back side of the box, we have Monkey D. Luffy, Chopper, Ace, and Trafalgar Law. So let's go ahead and unbox this figure. It comes in a standard clamshell box. It's pretty safe, even though the box here is really crumpled. You can see the figure is really okay. And there's another one in here. Just a simple cardboard with Batman and there's two extra figures. I think that one's Aquaman and the other one is Green Lantern or maybe Superman. Anyway, back to the figure. So we take a look. Here, you can see it's really cute. It can stand on its 2 feet, so it's really great. Details, as you look closely, paint apps are good. Turn around, there's even the tattoo from Goldie Roger's crew. His flaming fingers, just really nice. This one is soft, pliable plastic material. And for posability, I don't think you have much. The arms, well, the arms can't move sadly. And the head can spin. It can do 360. So that's it. Portgas D Ace pop figure. I really like it. It's cute. I think I'm gonna start collecting these. So, that's about it, and see you guys on the next video. Check out these cool shots of the Portgas D Ace figure.